no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away.
Yeah. Dropping mad beats with Jesus. Y'all suckers best get on your knees, cause when there ain't no Jesus in my life, feels like I'm riding a dirty knife. My God has heavenly bank accounts, always pays my bills in full amounts. No need for that green paper dollar. He's strictly a grace and mercy baller. Be a kind one to another, tender-hearted, forgiving one another, just as God for Christ's sake forgave you. That's straight Ephesians 4:32. The Bible be the only grams I'm doing, cause his word is what I'm pursuing. Ain't no time for smoking and doping. The good book's the only tree I roll in.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away.
My God is an awesome God, peep it. Works 24/7, no sleep trick. Miracle making like a snitch, drop secrets. Saving souls like a waiter takes deep tips. When he's gone, I just can't take it. Get so drunk, my soul takes a death trip. Wake up all covered in lipstick. Dear God, save me from this devil shit. Give mad respect to your mom and dad. Sabbath day, don't forget the Holy Land. The Lord's name in vain, now that's just sad. Come on, sucker, don't make J. Christ mad. No other gods, no other wives. No stealing, no killing, no lies. No other idols, no coveting eyes. 10 commandments, y'all, straight hypnotized.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away.
Yeah, boy. Keep your money stacked, keep your guns packed. No, thank you, Jack. You can keep your crack. I'm on my savior's sack. I like my Bibles black. If under attack, you got my back. If my rhymes lack, you pick up my slack. In the studio, yo, on every track. Don't need no cognac, you lay down my Mac. God ain't no hoe, that's a straight fact. Without him, life was so tough. Without him, times got so rough. Sniffing that white stuff, smoking that puff, eating that lady muff, dodging them handcuffs till Jesus came right, showed me how to fight temptation through the night, using his good light, put me on that Bible diet to keep my game tight. Now my future burns bright, bow before his might. Oh!
Ain't no sunshine